Welcome Form 1 learners to today's Combined Science lesson. Your facilitator today is Marange Tsitsi in the program EduWave, brought to you by the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education. Nakai and Tando have decided to join me today. They are intelligent learners. Say hello to your fellow learners at home.
Hello everyone!
I am aware that my learners have different learning abilities. If your Form 1 child has partial hearing, make sure they sit closer to the radio receiver. For those with special needs, please assist them so that they benefit from the lesson. In our lesson today, we focus on nutrition and the effects of climate change on nutrition. We require nourishment for survival, which comes from the food we eat and the water we drink. This gives us good health and allows growth. Good nutrition involves eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods to ensure we get all necessary nutrients. Climate change is putting at risk food supplies for people's diet. Learners, after this lesson, you are supposed to be able to define nutrition and climate change, explain the effects of climate change on nutrition. Now, learners, tell me what you understand about nutrition. Yes, Nakai.
I understand that nutrition is the science of food and nutrients they contain.
You are correct, Nakai. As for me, I can say nutrition is the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth.
Humans require different nutrients in their diets to walk, run, and repair worn-out tissues.
You are all correct, my dear learners. Very good. The food we eat should form a balanced diet. Tando and Nakai, I want you to think and tell me what you understand by the term diet, and also what it means when I say balanced diet. Learners at home, think and tell your parents.
I think diet is the food and drink that a person usually takes.
Tando is correct. Well done.
I also think that a balanced diet is food that contain all nutrients in their correct proportions. Nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, fiber, mineral salts, and water.
I am happy to hear correct answers from you all. If, however, your diet consists of potato chips and cookies, you are eating an imbalanced diet. Whenever we are having our diets, we have to make sure all nutrients are present in their correct proportions. My dear learners, do you know that climate change is affecting nutrition?
Climate change? What is climate change?
I know the answer. Climate change is the long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. It is caused by so many factors.
That is true. Which factors causes climate change, my dear learners?
My sister once told me that human activities cause climate change. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation.
Yes, I also know that excess carbon dioxide from burning fuels and clearing forests causes climate change. I once read that this is called greenhouse gases.
How does excess carbon dioxide cause climate change? Please explain, Nakai.
Excess carbon dioxide acts as a greenhouse gas. When sunlight passes through the Earth's surface, some of it is reflected back as heat. But this excess carbon dioxide traps more heat than necessary, leading to global warming.
Climate change puts at risk the food supplies of people in developing and developed nations alike. Floods, droughts, and wildfires can drive down crop yields and destroy livestock and interfere with the transport of food. Rising carbon dioxide levels from human activity can make staple crops like maize less nutritious.
Shortage of rain for this season has caused lack of Madora in markets as we speak.
Madora? What is that?
I mean mopame worms, which are found in the southern parts of the country such as Gwanda, Blawayo, Plumtree, Chivi, Mwenezi and Berengwa.
Oh, Nakai, you mean Amatimbi? I get you. This is terrible.
Besides plants, Nakai, animals are affected too by climate change. Heat waves affect different animals in southern Africa. When the weather is too hot, that is when various diseases thrive. Diseases like pink eye in cows, warts among various animals, blue tongue in goats, just to mention a few.
Floods can destroy crops and livestock, drown fields and wash away fertile topsoil, resulting in reduced agricultural productivity and food scarcity. Flooding can lead to water contamination, affecting drinking water sources and causing waterborne diseases, posing health to communities. Climate change, for sure, is devastating.
Learners, those are brilliant responses. Keep on reading and researching. I hope you now know how climate change affects nutrition. For your homework, I want you to write other diseases in animals that is caused by lots of heat. We have come to the end of our lesson. I appreciate your participation, learners. My name is Marange Tsitsi, your science facilitator. I hope to be with you in our next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.